Okay, today we had a reaction in the market in the dollar as a result of the US 5-year Treasury notes auction. Now, the US 5-year Treasury notes auction is not typically a market moving indicator, but from time to time it does generate a lot of flows into US dollars. So it needs to be noted on occasion, but it can cause some reasonable moves. Now, the Treasury auctions, what they are is they're securities sold at public auctions on a regular schedule. And there's competitive bids of these auctions that determine the interest rate paid on each issue of Treasury bills, notes, or bonds. There's a group of about 22 securities dealers. They're known as primary dealers, and they're authorized and obligated to submit competitive tenders at Treasury auctions. Now, the dealers can either hold them or they can resell them to their clients or trade them with other securities firms. So what happens is I won't, you can read through this information in terms of the details on the day, but the bottom line is that the U.S. Treasury auction can generate some flows into U.S. dollars. Looking at the technical picture, we actually have seen the market has been in a downtrend and has slowly been retracing a little bit. And on the day, what we've done is when the auction began, the market actually spiked upwards and went just beyond the previous significant high, that is, and then what it did was it started breaking through trend lines. It met resistance at our moving average and started to break continuously through the trend lines. So it actually generated a reasonable move in flows into US dollars. This is the euro US dollar cross, so as the market moves down, the US dollar is gaining and the euro is losing. As a side note, on the following day, Fed chairman at the time, Greenspan, had made some comments concerning interest rate hikes once again. So you can see the impact of any verbiage concerning interest rates and the impact it has in the market. So here we saw some comments by Greenspan which created a small whiplash in the market before the market simply just continued in consolidation, forming a diamond pennant and then dropping.